It's a 2016 Buick LaCrosse. This effortlessly stylish LaCrosse has a lush interior and striking exterior. Features include integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, active grille shutters, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com comments on the LaCrosse rear legroom rivaling that of some executive class luxury sedans. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.